Hi everyone, happy holidays. I'm Age Graceful from the Age Graceful YouTube channel. I hope that you all had the most Merry Christmas ever. It is the month of December and it's time for the Beauty Over 40 Makeup Collab Group to bring you our final look of the year. This month we'll be doing a holiday themed makeup look. After you've watched my video, please go to the other ladies' channels to watch their videos. I'll be leaving their channel links in my description box. Thank you so very much for your support of the Age Graceful channel as well as Beauty Over 40 Makeup Group. We all appreciate you. Stay safe. Off camera, I did my eyebrows using a Revlon eyebrow pencil in soft black. Before I get started with my look, let's take a look at the ladies' inspiration clips. To begin, let's apply some Morphe Shadow Base to my lids. This is a translucent shadow base and I absolutely love it. My palette selection for today is the Obsessed palette by Pinky Rose. This is a 14-pan palette mixed with satins and mattes. This first shade that I'm going to apply is a satin. The name of this shade is called Joker. It's a really pretty midnight to royal blue shade. I will apply this shade above the crease. Next, I'm going to pick up some of the shade called Lefty and I'll apply this deep into the crease base. Lefty is an emerald green satin shade. Next, on my lid space, I'm going to apply some of the NYX glitter glue. On my lid space, I'm going to pack on some of this very fine glitter. This is a beautiful aquamarine blue. And here I'm repeating the steps: glitter, glue, and then I'll move on to the glitter. You want to be certain to apply your glitter while the adhesive is still damp. Here I'm just using a little bit of Scotch tape to pick the glitter up off of my complexion. Using the same brush that I used to apply the shade Lefty, I'm going to run that back over the crease area because I lost a little bit of the green shade as I applied the glitter. Onto my complexion, I'll be using the Il Makiage Poreless Base No Filter Primer. For a look that will last all night long, I've selected the Il Makiage foundation. This is the matte foundation, the After Party, in shade number 170. To contour, I'm using the Revolution Beauty bronzing powder in the shade Medium. To conceal, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the Creamy formula. This is in shade 53N, which is deep. On top of that concealer, I'll add the Juvia's Place concealer to highlight, and this is in shade number 16. To set my concealer, I'm using the setting powder by Playing in Makeup by Yolando. This is a translucent setting powder in the shade medium. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to knock off the setting powder. On my waterline, I'm going to use an Avon Glimmer Sticks Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Emerald Green. Returning to the Obsessed palette, I'll first pick up a little bit of the shade Lefty and apply that under the waterline. And then I'll also pick up a little bit of the shade Joker and apply that under the waterline as well. On my inner corner, I'm going to apply a little bit of the shade called Sisters. This will open up the eye a bit. This is a light green shade, almost minty. To set my look, I'm using the Morphe setting spray called Prep and Set. Time for lashes. I'll be using a pair of cat eye style lashes from Temu. And to apply the lashes, I'm using the Kiss Liner Lash Adhesive in clear. Time for my lippy. I'll be using a lippy by Mandy Cosmetics. The shade is called Cool With It. And guys, this is it. This will bring this look as well as the year 2024 to a close for Beauty Over 40, as well as the Age Graceful channel. I appreciate you guys so very much for selecting my channel to watch. Please don't forget to go and support all the other ladies. Their channel links will be in my description box down below. Thank you again. You guys are wonderful. God bless you all. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. See you guys next year. Bye.